It's trap season, bro.
Line it up, hoes, 1, 2, 3. I'm a bad bitch, me, I can't kill me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this video is going to be about Easter, because everybody knows since Easter is coming up and we're on quarantine, but I still just want to give our ideas. So, the first thing I got my child to go on her Easter basket is this little doll thing right here. I got this from Walmart. The next thing I got was these eggs. I thought it looked like this so cute, 3 eggs in one, and they different colors inside the egg. So I thought these was cute. So I'm gonna just take these, put something inside of these eggs, and put them in her basket. These next two things, this pack of Skittles and these jelly beans, sweet treats, tarts, whatever. I got these from the dollar store. Okay. The next things I got was this city play, whatever, slime thing, whatever, because she likes to play with slime. So I just got her 2 of those. The bag to cover the Easter basket. A chocolate carrot bunny. I'm reading the name. But I got this from the dollar store as well. The bags I got from dollar store too. So everything really, I really either got from Walmart, Target, or the dollar store. And just like a lot of the bigger items I got from either Walmart or Target. The next thing I picked up for Easter was this button-up shirt. Next thing I got was this overall from Gossip, but it's from Target. This overall dress, and I'm gonna put this over it. And to go with that, I got her these shoes, also from Target. These to go with it, because I'm gonna do I'm gonna set up like a little photo station, because I know she's been talking about the Easter Bunny, and these photos I took her to go take pictures with the Easter Bunny at the mall, but everything is closed. The next thing I also picked up was these goldfishes. Easter kind there, the vanilla cupcake flavor. I got these from Target. They're like $2, so I just got these because I know she like goldfishes. Okay. The next thing I picked up was this balloon garland kit. Just to add some decoration in the house since we can't go like outside or anything. So this is going to be a part of the photo station. These next items, the Black Forest gummy, the candy eggs, the little ducky lollipop thing. I got all these from Walmart. It was only $1. What else? Also the cotton candy lip balm and the LOL lip balm. She likes to play with lip gloss and things like that. So I got these from Walmart too. They was also only $1. I also got the baby bottle pops. I'm gonna put one of these baby bottle pops in her Easter basket as well. The next thing I got was a lot of these little grass things. I might need some more, but I'm actually gonna use these for like the photo station. So when I set it up, maybe I can show you guys how it's gonna look. I'm gonna use these for like the grass for the photo station when I take her pictures. Okay. The next items on the list are these SpongeBob Krabby Patty kebabs, candy stick things. So I got 2 of these. The next thing is these 2 baskets I actually got from, I got this one from Walmart, this one from the Dollar Tree. Some dollars only $1. Wanted it, so I got this for her. It was only $1 from the Dollar Tree as well. I got her a Bible book, the book of Bible stories, to put in her Easter basket. I got her the twin snake gummy, more little Krabby Patty things, and a push pop to go inside her basket as well. They was all only $1 from the dollar store. Next thing, I got these eggs. They 48 eggs. They was only like, it was $1.98 from Walmart. Next thing I got was this poster board thing. It say Happy Easter on the front, and on the back it say Hello Spring. So this is like a reversible board. I'm gonna use this for the photo station as well. And they already are pre-filled with candy and stickers, but I just got them because they was unicorn, and I knew she loved unicorns, so that's why I picked these eggs up. The next thing I got was from Target. I got this little bunny bear thing. I'm actually going to use this as a prop for the photo station too, because I can't find a real bunny outfit, because I was going to just put it on to have her take pictures with the Easter bunny. So I just got this. Okay, the last two items that I picked up, the last few items that I picked up for her was this little dress thing, all dress up thing, because she loves to play dress up. So I got her one of these to put inside her Easter basket as well. The next thing I got to go inside her Easter basket is the fake ice cream toy thing, frozen treat playset. I got this from Walmart, and I also got this from Walmart. Next thing I got was this kinetic sand. Okay, the next thing I got was this Play-Doh set. So she is only 3, so she's around the age where she likes to play with slime and Play-Doh and stuff. So I just figured I'd get her a lot of Play-Doh and stuff. So I got her this Play-Doh set. This is her basket as well. Next thing I got was this egg hunt filler. So these are like party favor fillers and piano fillers, but it's for the egg. So it's 100 pieces inside. I got this from Walmart. I'm just gonna put like these little toys and stamps and things and bracelets inside the eggs, and also put them in her basket and have them around the house. The next thing I got was this. It's a Twisty World bank, and it was only $1 from Walmart, so I just picked one up. Next thing I got was this bowls and bowl cups and plates, spoon set for her, because I like the colors. I thought the colors were very vibrant and cute, and just to give her some more of her own personal plates and stuff. So I just picked up this set for her. I'm going to put this in her basket as well. And also the last thing I got was the grass. I had another pack, a purple one. So I don't know where's that, but I got these from the dollar store for only $1 as well. So I forgot, you guys, I actually found the purple grass. And then I also picked up this little color me and play kit. It was only $1 from the dollar store, so while she wakes up early or anything, and while we're cooking and doing setting up and stuff still, she can just paint and play with this while she opens her basket. So I also got this. So after this part, you're going to see that the basket is already halfway full, but I forgot to even start the video when I started filling the basket, so next I'm going to fill these eggs and put some of the party favors in here, and I'm going to put them in. Eggs. We got like little rubber froggies. We got rings. Think it's like a little thing, favorite thing. Little balls. More balls. Spin tops. I think yo-yos. Yeah, stickers. And yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna get it up there. Put some blue ones. I put a bracelet and a blue one. Orange. I'll get a sticker to fit. Yellow. Gonna put a ball. Do a pink one. We're gonna do a spin. We're gonna do a blowy. If it could fit, it could fit. And another one, we're gonna put a spin top in one. Oh, yep. Oh yeah, I forgot about the yo-yos and the frog and a ring, so we got 3 more eggs to put something in. Oh yeah, and some stickers, so we got stickers also. Gonna get her. I don't know if this gonna fit in the egg, so I'm just gonna put this on the side. Just gonna put the yo-yo in because I don't know if it's gonna fit in the egg, and then I'm gonna put the frog and the ring inside of an egg. Y'all, my feet is falling asleep. Put that. I'm gonna get another egg and put some stickers inside of it. Rip this and I have this and put stickers inside of the egg. This. I'm gonna try to put her gummies in here somewhere. Her gummies in. Give her some Skittles, just throw them in. The basket's already over capacity. Still have to fill these big eggs up with something. My nail really just cut through this. So I guess we'll pop it open. It's an egg. Eggs inside of an egg. y'all, but my child does like money. And I do put, I'm about to open it. I do give her money and her eggs. What the freak? This one is not opening. Come on now, come on. Oh my God. There we go. So I am gonna put her some money inside of her eggs, inside of the little egg. I think I'll put her $8 inside her little egg. That's inside the other eggs. So when she open it, she'll be able to see it. This egg. I should put some little eggs inside of this egg to put in. Let's do these little eggs that's in here. And she still has this to put inside. Okay, so I'm back. Like I'm saying, I don't know what I'm gonna put in this one yet, so I gotta find out what I'm gonna put in this. But yeah, everything else, this is how her basket is looking so far. Everything else, this cannot fit inside her basket. So I might just put it around, tape it around her basket some way. And I also have to add these little bubble gum trays, egg trays. And these are also stickers to place on the trays. So I'm gonna do that now. Just put stickers on them any kind of way. I just put stickers on any kind of way. I'm gonna put that right there. So when I find out what I'm putting here, I'll let you guys know, because right now I don't know. So this is what I got. This is her basket. Put everything in there that could fit. So this is how it's looking. These three things couldn't fit. Leave them outside of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.